Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2012 Ford F-150 FX4. Now the exterior color is a Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front of the truck we have our halogen high beams as well as our daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps. We have our color matched front bumper as well as our black grille insert. And over at the side we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Wrangler Goodyear tires with the Ford OEM running boards, as well as our white mirror caps, as well as our color matched white door handles. And on top of the roof we have our sliding sunroof as well as our privacy tinted windows in the rear. At the rear we have our brick trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection as well as our reverse sensors paired with to our backup camera. At the rear we also have our power sliding window with an embedded defroster with our third braking light up top. As we get into the interior, we have tons of driver friendly features, including lots of door storage with cup holder, as well as power windows, power locks, power adjustable mirrors with power folding option. And as we get into the interior, we have a beautiful black charcoal leather, which includes a 10-way fully adjustable seat with memory seating for the driver, as well as the passenger can enjoy it and a fully adjustable seat as well. And as we get to our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial on the left here with our foot pedal adjustment, and our steering wheel, which has our information trackpad and our cruise control settings, as well as our hands-free calling on the side. As we look above head, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror, as well as our cabin lights, place for our sunglasses, and our sliding sunroof. As we get to our center face, we have our display screen, which allows for audio connectivity, navigation, hands-free calling, as well as phone connectivity through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And as we look down, we have our air conditioning and heating seats for both driver and passenger, as well as our dual climate control area, which allows for air conditioning and heating throughout the cabin. Down below, we have our auxiliary and USB port, as well as our 12-volt adapter. And as we look at our center console shift, we have our select option, which has 6 speeds, as well as our 2 cup holders, our center console with 2 more cup holders in the rear, and lots of storage underneath and comfort on top. As we enter the rear, passengers can enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat, as well as they can enjoy an AC adapter and a 12-volt with the air conditioning vents in the rear too. Now with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we can fit 3 passengers back here comfortably with tons of leg room, as well as headspace. If there are any more questions about this beautiful truck, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.